issue is that some nuns from Kerala were very badly ill-treated. They were accused of things they were not doing. They were manhandled, and then they were taken away by the police in Chhattisgarh. And we are protesting against this kind of attack on minorities.
Can you raise the issue in the parliament? What is your demand?
I think somebody has already raised the issue, right?
You already raised, today also we are raising.
Yeah. We are demanding an end to this kind of atrocity against minorities. It is not fair at all. These are also ladies. There were 2 or 3 ladies with another bunch of ladies. They should not be manhandled and treated like this. And you cannot just accuse people of things that they are not doing.
Yes.
Sir, this protest has continued since 3 days.
Yes.
Do you think so the
Yes.
government is going to take action on it?
Frankly, the government doesn't take action on anything except their publicity, their PR, and when elections are coming, what face they want to show to the public. They do not take action on anything concrete. So I don't expect action, but it is our job to push them and pressurize them as much as we can.